No one believed us when we started. But now, look at the size of this thing. We are building a massive ship in the middle of a dry valley, a massive ship being built in the middle of dry land. This is truly a strange sight. Or at least, that's what we think.
Pull together! Heave it up! Almost there! He really thinks it's going to rain! He really thinks it's going to rain! Pull together! Heave it up! Almost there! Look at the madman!
He is building a boat in the desert.
Here you go, little one. Let us have peace. Let us find a fair path.
Before the world changed, he stood alone.
The Creator remembers us. Turn back to Him before the waters come.
But they did not listen.
The Creator has spoken to me. The world is filled with violence. The Creator has seen the evil spreading across the earth, and its violence has filled His creation. A great judgment is coming through water.
His words seemed impossible.
For the flood waters are coming to cover the earth. The Creator calls us to walk in His ways.
Father Noah, will we truly finish this in time?
Hey, old man! Hey, old man! Opportunity is still open.